Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Photoman here, and this one is about the East Carstairs Community Hall. It's a pretty cool hall, pretty neat building. I did message the Carstairs Heritage Society, but they have not replied back. So unfortunately, very limited information. I was hoping to get build date and construction dates and things like that for you, but because it looks to be probably mid-1900s as far as 1950s, something like that, but hard to say. Anyway, thanks for joining, thanks for coming back, and enjoy the video.